Alright everyone, this is Chuck with B4. I just wanted to take a moment to show you guys how we teach our VIP members to use the B4, how to use it in conjunction with the rest of our system. We have a complete trading system that we use in complete confluence with the B4. The B4 is designed to catch every ripple in the market, every minute detail. Now, a lot of people say that they like the B4, but they're not just, it's not as accurate as what their Williams percent are, and maybe their hyped up RSI settings, or maybe their double stochastics or whatever. Well, let's go through and look at that. The problem is most people just don't know how to use the B4. They see the buy and sell signals and they don't really understand how we use it. We have right, this dotted line that you see going through here. You notice how it changes colors. It changes colors and has different states according to its angle and its trend direction. So, and how it's in relation to the upper and lower bands right here on our B4 bands. This is our B4 trend line, and you can see that it changes directions and locks in. For instance, it comes down here and it's bright red trending downward, and then it turns and locks and changes color. Well, let's go ahead and just kind of blow that up a little bit. This is how we teach our members a practice, a routine to go through, so they know how to use this live, to know when to enter a trade and when to take profits. So let me just go through an exercise here. Let's just kind of mark some lows, and we'll go through here and mark some lows. I'm looking here. It says here, but I want to say it's probably here. But anyway, marking some lows. All right, let's mark some highs. I'll mark there, I'll mark there. Right there. Let's mark right up in here. And this is good enough. You should see the point. Let me catch this one as well. The low here. All right, let's take time and let's see what that looks like. All right, so we want to catch some highs. There's one of our highs there. You want to catch the lows. You can catch the lows here. Yep, there was a little bit of a divergence or so there. Highs here. Highs here. Lows here. Highs here. I'm not sure what I guess we're getting a high here. Yeah. Okay, let me go ahead and remove those guys. That should prove my point there. The system is very accurate. These buy and sell signals, these bull bear lines are designed, these red and green and red lines you see here. They are designed to get you ready. It's basically a 1, 2, 3 process. Hey, here's the bottom of the move right here. Look at that. There's the bottom of the move right there. There's our lows. Get ready. And, there's your move. Here's your exit. Right here. And you can go on and go through that process. Now, sometimes there are divergences in the oscillator versus the actual price action. Our system is designed to show that. Also, we have a nice series of indicators up here. We have our algo, our levels, our brackets, our Ichimoku, and we have a complete trading system that's rule-based that keeps you out of out of fake signals, breakouts or whatever, or false signals if you want to call them that. We have a whole system of confluence to work together. Again, guys, I just wanted to take the time to show you this. Again, this is Chuck with B4. Thank you for your attention.